Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're looking at a word that can make people feel, well, a little uneasy. Nauseous. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is nauseous. Let's break it down step by step. First part, na, like when you say ah with an N in front. Second part, shuz, rhyming with precious or gracious. Now, say it with me, nauseous. One more time, nauseous. Great job. So, what does nauseous mean? If you're nauseous, you're feeling sick to your stomach, like you might throw up. For example, I felt nauseous after that roller coaster ride. It describes that queasy, unsettled feeling. Fun fact: the word nauseous comes from the Latin word nausea, which means seasickness. So, it originally described the feeling of being sick from motion, like on a boat. Spelling tip: don't let the spelling trick you. It's spelled Nauseous. Even though it looks complicated, it's just NAW-shuhs. Now that you know how to pronounce and use NAW-shuhs, you can say it with confidence at the doctor's office, in casual conversation, or even in your writing. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who loves learning words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.